Paul and Kyle here at the American Rally Originals. Very powerful moment for us to be riding here at Dakar in the original by Motul's class. Let's go, baby. Woo! I'm here with 5 of my friends from the United States, and we finished the Dakar unsupported for the first time in history. No American has ever done it. Something that I've waited my entire life for and thought that I was never going to do, and to be here is unreal. We raced the hard way. We have a red box, or Mally as they would call it, and it has our spare parts, our tools, some personal items, and it's what we work out of and race out of for the whole Dakar.
Dude, that was so much fun. It was unbelievable.
Yes. I can't believe that we get to do this. It's overwhelming for me. Thank you for talking me into this type of stuff.
Of course, man.
Not the best day, but not the worst. I kind of got turned around out there a little bit, but I saw 3 riders end their Dakar in the first 100K.
It was a really difficult day, yeah?
Really?
It was harder than every day last year, really.
Really?
Yes.
Today was harder than every day last year?
Yes, sure.
Oh.
Really?
Oh, well then we're good.
It's going to start well, move into hail. It's appropriate because the temperature right now when we land will be about 56 degrees, 90% chance of rain.
Just rode about 220K in just absolute thunderstorms and rain, fog.
Hey, good morning, Paul. Good morning.
Good morning. It was good. I mean, yeah. I went to sleep. I was tired, so I slept all night. It's relentless here. It never seems to end. It's just time just keeps going, and we don't have a lot of time, and so I think just longer, kind of more relentless than I thought. Everyone says it's been tougher than years past. I went pretty fast for me the first few days. Yesterday I kind of relaxed a little, which was nice, and I'm gonna do the same today because we still have 10 days left, you know. It's hard to tell, but I can see where the checkpoints are, where the speed zones are. It's too hard for me to tell if the day is going to be difficult or easy based off of a book.
I had a good day. One big get off that just rocked me.
In the dunes?
Yeah, I was rocking the dunes, but I just came down a side and it was a soft section. It just sunk in, you know?
And you're like angling across?
The bike went, whoa!
That's exactly what I did.
And I was angled across and I'm just like, and then some other guy's coming behind me and I was up already and I gave him thumbs up and he comes down and then he drops the bike.
Oh.
Doctors, I all had the conversation and just a lot of tears for a moment, and you choke up and you say you don't want to give up, and you know, and then you have to make a tough decision. And so I cried a little bit, talked to some family, and I said, okay, I'm just going to support the rest of the team for the rest of the event, and we'll just keep on going. The Dakar dream is over.
I had an electrical problem all day, and I ended up riding all night for 24 hours and working on my bike. It's gonna be okay. I have Mo and my team helping me, and it's amazing. We changed the main relay and the correct plug-in, and I believe it is repaired. there's all these people from all over the world that have the same goal and the same hobby, the same drive to do Dakar, and we just get to do it all together. So the group as a whole is what I like the most. I have lifelong friends from the first few days of Dakar already.